Dear grade 3 and 4 children, the drawing template was only for elementary and grade 1 and 2 children. But for grade 3 and 4, we have uploaded this step-by-step drawing sheet for you. Please get it, print and follow step-by-step drawing to draw the animals. Here I will show you how to draw an elephant step by step. For second assignment, you will draw a bird following 3 steps given in this template, and same for the turtle drawing. I am drawing elephant for you. First, I will see step number 1. What is in it? There is a trunk and eye. So I'll draw first trunk and add eye to the elephant. The second step is half top body of an elephant. This is, now I have drawn half body of an elephant, and the last step, we have to add legs and tail to it and finish our elephant drawing. We have ear. So this is how you will going to draw your elephant, and in the same way you will going to draw bird and turtle in your second and third week assignment. After completing these drawings, then you have to create your own pattern elephant and follow the coloring steps as we have shown you before in the video. I hope you all will enjoy this art lesson. Thank you.